All right, quick story time. We just got the 94 Talon in the shop. Was actually running out to my friend's shop here to try to work on the brake calipers, get them loosened up. They're seized right now. And on the way out here, got on the road about 400 meters out and it just died on me. RPMs dropped. I didn't lose power, but the car was dead for sure. So came in and I noticed that some of these thermostat sensor wires were all broken or close, and I thought that was gonna be it. Got those fixed. That didn't do it. We ended up checking all the fuses. That wasn't it. Had fuel pressure, but then just to verify, I pulled this fuel rail connection here, turned it over, saw that we had fuel pumping out, so we knew that was good. But we did not have any spark, no ignition. So after thinking a lot, doing some reading, we decided to swap out the cam angle sensor. And I got the old one up here, and the old one, and this is the current. And this was the fix. So we got it running. It was the cam angle sensor that went bad. So today, we are gonna get these brakes disassembled, try to free up these pistons and the calipers. It seems like all of them are dragging. And then we may give it a bath. And yeah, we will see. We might hang that exhaust hanger back up or fix that because the tailpipe's hanging down a little low. But yeah, if you guys are interested in this stuff, drop a comment. Let me know, man. I think that'll be a good motivation to keep up on videos. I'm also seeing, look at that mean dent in that rim. That's unfortunate. But this nice tires. We got good tires. But yeah, if you guys enjoy this, comment. Maybe let me know what other changes you'd be making, what you would adjust if this was your car. And yeah, we're gonna keep on working. We'll get you guys up to date. Catch you soon. Got the calipers pulled off the front passenger side. As you guys can see, it's pretty rusty in there. A lot of junk. So we'll see if we can bring them back to life, lube them up, and work them back and forth a little bit. Talon's all washed up. Just a quick update. Sorry about the wind if you hear that. Got both calipers freed up in the front. Did you guys a favor and figured I'd just get by that. Didn't record it. Took a lot of work, had to work them out. Shoot, probably a good 5-6 times. So anyway, washed it up. Now we gotta get this fuel tank all sealed up. And after that, figure out how much boost it's running, fix up some boost leaks, and see if we can start making a little power. We also do, we gotta do a timing belt and all the accessories that go with that before we start playing around. Anyway, there's a quick update. It's looking all right. All right, see you guys.